Hi, Diego. Can you hear me?
Hi, Bobby. Yeah, can you hear me too?
Yes, I do. So, how everything is going? How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Okay. Yeah, I'm doing
All
great as
good?
well. Yeah, all good from my side. How everything how your business is going?
I think we are in a good pathway.
Oh, happy to hear that. Okay,
Yeah.
by the way, I cannot see you.
Yeah,
Maybe.
yeah. I know because I have my baby sleeping on
Oh,
my lap.
mm,
That's why I'm also speaking a bit.
no
Uh,
problem.
okay, sorry.
No problem
Uh,
at all. So,
okay.
we will.
Uh, I will make this quick. So we have some trouble in the traffic integration with analytics
Hmm.
because we made some changes. Maybe I will share my screen with you. I think it's
Yes,
easier.
please. You can share your screen and you can show me whatever your sense is, so I
Okay,
can easily understood what
okay,
might need to fix the tracking issue.
okay. So we have a new page for gift cards
Mm-hmm.
um, that have this here. There are amounts for gift cards. Each one is a button, and here
Mm-hmm.
we can customize the amount for the gift cards. So we
Mm-hmm.
need to set up an event for this as like purchase gift cards, probably. And then we also have this, which is for specific workshops. I don't know if this is possible, if we can do this. Um, but yeah, we this will lead us to, let's see this one here. This will lead us to this specific workshop page. So this inside we will have the option to also book now, but also offer as a gift. So what what I wanted to ask you is if is it possible to set up different events for different buttons and see it in analytics?
That is possible. We can do that.
Okay, perfect. Even if we make changes in the page, the buttons will always have the events associated, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or okay, okay. Another thing, it's all about these events, but it's different things, and I will try to explain you the best I can. Um, some workshops like this one has already a date. So if we go here, we can book it now. And
Mm-hmm.
we need to set up an event like purchase for this, and would be a simple conversion. But there are other workshops that don't have dates, like this one, for example.
Mm-hmm.
They have the same buttons, but they are not the same because of the widgets. We needed to put it uh, like this, or offer as a gift or make an inquiry, because there is a date in this workshop. In this workshop that doesn't have a date only has these two options, but this needs to be tracked differently,
So that
because
need okay.
yeah,
On here, you'd like to see like how many people click on the offer as gift, also how many people click make an inquiry. So we have to set up
yes,
two different event, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
um,
That okay. Can you please click the offer a gift card? Sorry, offer as a gift. Yeah.
yeah,
Then it's redirect to the this page. Okay.
yes,
So you'd like to know which button they are clicking most of the time and go through this page, right?
yes, yes.
That's possible. We can do that.
Okay,
And the next.
Uh, Next thing is yeah. So the inquiry with dates. This one.
Mm-hmm.
We also want to have events for these inquiries. And the thing
Inquiry.
here is uh, they seem the same button, but they aren't the same button because, like I said, the widgets to have, like we have this here, but to have this here, we need to make it
Mm-hmm.
different. So they say the same thing, and the button is pretty similar to this, but it's not. So I don't know if a person that goes here for the workshop with dates and click on one of these buttons will send the same events as a person who come here for the workshop that has no dates and click here. Is it possible to
Mm.
differentiate the events, like for a
For the diff
workshop that has
Yeah.
dates and for the other that has no dates? Is it this possible?
We can do that by using different condition. Like once somebody land, how
Mm-hmm.
many event we have like this like date and without date, how many pages or how many event available on the website?
We will only have the event for, I would say, the purchase, which is here, the book now, and then we have this one, which would be like gift card purchase, and this one would be like inquiry or requests. So we have like
Okay,
three events.
three event, but the pages, this is an event, right? So, and
Yes,
this event have available the date, but other is don't have the date. So I'm
yeah.
asking how many event available the date and how many event don't have the date.
I think that would vary and depends because we have a lot of workshops. Some of them have
Yeah, yeah.
dates.
Can you,
Uh,
let me, I understood your concern. So can you please open a event and see the URL? There have any differentiate URL that is content?
okay.
Yeah. So we can, yeah, yeah. The day, oh, 1 second. So there is the
Sorry.
workshop and
Yeah.
gift card. Just a second. Workshop and go to the next one. The next one. There
The
have the
next.
date. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
This one.
Workshop. Hmm.
Yeah. I think here
So,
there is no difference, right?
mm, mm, mm. Let me think. Just a second.
No problem.
Is it possible we can, 1 second, I am sending the request to you. Oh, you joined by the browser Zoom.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't have Zoom. Sorry.
So there, can you please send me those both link to me on the Fiverr so I can check something?
Yes. Sure.
So this is also workshop and this is workshop. Hmm. The both workshop is contain the same URL. So let me check the button text, like button click ID, make inquiry. This one ID is request from button, request from button, and last last is this. ID is gift button, okay. And once I select this one, mm, okay. So this regards, I think I have the Google Tag Manager access is still my side or no?
I think so, yes. But if
I have
not,
to check
I
first. Yeah, I
okay.
have to check first. Also, it's better. Last time, you were
Uh-huh.
sent me a Google Doc file for the requirement. So it's
Uh-huh.
just you can simply create a Google Doc file, whatever you
Okay.
need to set up the tracking for according to the
Okay.
new census. Then first I
Okay.
will check everything through the tag manager. Then I will let you
Okay.
know if need anything else by the developer to track accurately the data. Okay. So then
Okay.
I
Okay.
will start the work. I think it's better,
Okay.
okay?
Okay. Yeah, I can make you a Word and send it today as well.
Yeah, please. So you can make a Google Doc file and you
Okay.
can
Yeah, maybe it's
send it
easier.
to me,
Yes, for
okay?
sure.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, you're right.
got
You're
it.
right.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you can do that. Then you can update me. I will review, I will check, and I will let you know the update, okay? Also the
Okay,
cost
perfect,
like
Bapi.
included, no problem.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
perfect. Thank you so much.
Okay, there you go. So bye for now.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Bye. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, same.